Over the last 10 years, it has become one of our closest allies and a key trading partner, a vital friend in the global south. His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed has spoken repeatedly about the importance of these bilateral ties. The pivotal moment in this relationship was, of course, the signing of the India-UAE Comprehensive Economic Partnership Agreement, CEPA, in February 2022. Remarkably, the bilateral trade has doubled since then to 83 billion USD and is projected to touch 100 billion USD by 2030. The relationship that India and UAE enjoy is something very precious. It is not just two countries that gain from it, but the whole world.
India and the UAE are bound by history, enriched by culture, and powered by ambition. From ancient trade routes to modern strategic corridors, India and the UAE have walked together. Today, we celebrate that journey and look ahead to newer frontiers. Initially powered by fuel trade, the India-UAE economic relationship today has grown in complexity and diversity, with non-oil trade now accounting for more than half of our total volumes.
As far as global impact is concerned, initiatives like the I2U2, IMEC, India and the UAE have been very significant partners. About the I2U2, some projects like the food security project, food park projects are well underway between the UAE and India. Even as far as IMEC is concerned, while the other partners in IMEC might be preoccupied with other issues, India and the UAE are clearly progressing very well. In February last year, we actually signed, in the presence of our leaders, intergovernment framework on implementing IMEC, and we are moving very well ahead to set up something which we call the virtual trade corridor. Work on this was actually announced during the visit of Sheikh Khalid, the Crown Prince of Abu Dhabi, in September, India last year. And it's not far, maybe a month from now, we should be able to set sail our first containers from Nhava Sheva in Kandla to Khalifa Port in Abu Dhabi and Jebel Ali in Dubai.